Hello, in this video you're gonna to see how to solve this error. This occurred not because of this error occurred because of the Google team update the Unity ads classes with the new add request. This is the old add request method. This became obsolete in the November 2023. So with this day to now it will be obsolete. So to solve this you just need to go with the line. For example is 4729. You go to this 4729. So 4729. Okay, this we're going to comment the line. So I'm gonna put this and comment like that and paste the new AdRequest method. This is the new AdRequest method to solve the error. I recommend you to update with the latest Google mobile ads plugin before doing this update this. So you first download this right here. You just click here and it will be download. Wait, my bad. Yeah, and when we press Ctrl S, the error will be solved. If we comment this line and uncomment this, the error will be appear again. So you can for sure it's not anything else. Oh, I forget to press Ctrl S. Yeah, it will be waited and boom, we have the error again because of this. Don't modify another part of the code, just search AdRequest and delete that and uncomment this line. This will solve the error. Don't delete any other part of the code. This will be bad. Just delete that and put this AdRequest equal new AdRequest, and that's it. Not other modification. We wait and boom, no error, no more. So I hope this helped you with your project. See you later.